Well, hi guys, I'm WarderC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video and a bit of a review and tutorial of the Southord EPG electronic pick gun, and it was given to me by my great friend BM Frank on our UK Lock Sport forum. Frank and his lovely wife came round to my house the other day. We had a fantastic afternoon. By the way, Barbs, Jacob loves you to bits. As you may have noticed, he dived on you to say goodbye and give you a kiss. You are both fantastic people, you really are, and cannot wait to meet up with you again. We had a lovely afternoon. Like I say, it's a bit of a tutorial of this. The reason Frank gave me this is because he purchased a clon EPG. I'll go into that in a second regarding the review of this. I've not played with it until today. I've literally dug a 5-pin Yale rim cylinder out and a 6-pin Union oval Euro cylinder, just using a tension wrench that is a bit of a favourite. I think if I was to dig about, I might find a better one. As you can see, that's locked up. So let's see how we get on with this. It'd be easier in a vise, to be honest. I could see where I was placing it, but it's never mind. Oh. So it's fired the Yale rim cylinder open nicely. Let's pop that to one side. And this now is the Union 6-pin tension wrench in. See, it's locked up. And it goes again. Let's try that the other way. When I say other way, I mean inverting. Bit of twisting around there with the EPG. See, it's picked that open. Locks back up. Now what I found with this is the fact that it's sort of quite straight. You have difficulty holding it. I'm normally used to the manual pick gun from Southord, where you can hold it there, and you're clicking away, you can angle sort of where you're going in. More difficult to hold this because you've either got to hold it like that with your sort of thumb, or you could hold it like a pencil. To me, if Southord had have designed this more like the clon electronic pick gun, better results, I think. It's battery operated in the sense that they're just normal batteries, and I'm only using sort of lower end voltage type batteries in there. I want to try Duracell, etc. So I think they may give a bit more power. Now also what you've got here is like an Allen key grub screw, and that holds the pick end firmly in place. Disadvantage with the manual pick gun is it's literally just a sort of a screw there and a tightening up wheel. I've done a few videos of these before, or should I say this manual pick gun, where you have to keep nipping that up. If they were to incorporate the Allen key fitting on there to this would be fantastic. If they incorporated the shape of this to their EPG, it would sell like hotcakes. So it really is a great bit of kit. Your adjustment screw for the tension on the Southord EPG is this, and you're probably not going to see that, but if I adjust that, what happens is it moves that up and down, so you could angle to whatever tendency you need trying to manipulate a lock. And it's same with the manual, you've got high and low tension there. With it being like a gun, that's a lot easier to use. So if Southord were to make an EPG such as this with a rechargeable battery to look like that, again, it'd sell like hotcakes. It really would. Like I said, I've only played with it today with a couple of locks. I dragged these out of the box to have bash at. You could see it worked wonders. It may need more power regarding batteries and sort of the better top end batteries such as Duracell to give a bit more power on that pick end, but I'm going to have a play over the next day or two, experiment with a better quality of battery and with the tension. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, please come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. You'll get fantastic tips and great advice whenever you tap around your keyboards. Again, thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.